really hope there's not a body inside there.
Oh, we forgot Steve. Thanks, babe. That's a big piece. Yeah. I included so that I cut.
Where? Oh, yeah. Yeah, ditto.
You need some more chicken poppers? Yeah, we'll take them. Bless you.
Yeah. Yeah, that would suck if it was like a brand new $60,000.
$40,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
How much was lunch?
$12? Yeah.
Nice.
Eh, maybe it's 18. I don't know.
I was looking at the prices. I was like, $1 for the chicken nuggets, $2 for the grilled cheese,
Yeah.
$2 for the sweet potato fries. Stuff.
Need someone to fish it out with.